We are into automotive components manufacturing, and we are dealing with aluminum die-cast parts as well as forged and tubular. We started with auto components manufacturing from forged parts, and then entered into tubular parts, and recently we have also started die-casting activities. The main hurdle which used to come is we did not get a reliable vendor who could give us a software which is highly reliable. And the other part was the service. After sales service was a big issue. The EDP was a major concern because having our own servers, maintaining them, and again taking the backup at the right time was a big issue for a small industry. We cannot afford a full-fledged EDP team to take care of all these things. So these automatically get taken care by because it's a cloud-based system. Manufacturing is the major change that we first started with implementing of manufacturing. Earlier, manufacturing data was in bits and pieces. Now we have the entire thing mapped. The processes are streamlined. Ion is very user-friendly. Our people have started using from the day one. Whatever features have been explained, it is so easy that they can cope up, use the software maybe in 2 days' time. We have some complex processes of die casting wherein a lot of byproducts are generated during the processes, which were not mapped, which are not, rather we did not have the entire data or rather even the stock of what is the byproduct being generated through each and every product. Now it is very clearly mapped. We get the entire inventory properly in our FG and every areas. So those areas, it has really helped us very well. In manufacturing, the routing part and mapping of each component and BOM which has been mapped with each and every part helps us trace a lot of the movement of the component. At which stage it is, at which quality levels it is, everything can be traced. Those are very nicely featured. BOM creation also, they have the losses which have to be addressed are also taken. It's a part of the standard BOM creation which is there. That was the best part out of it. Sales partner which was there, we knew him for quite some time. He could give us the confidence that yes, this system will help you in finding solutions rather than going for some big end solutions and all. All details were channelized and properly given that what it would be like. I'm very happy with the kind of support that TCS people have given us, or the people who are implementing Ion at our end. They have been training our people regularly. They have been very patient with us, with our people also, to make them understand how it has to be used. And as far as knowledge is concerned, yes, they know the solution very well. They try and get all the data from us and try and find solutions. If they are not able to find solution, they get it from their experts and do it. We have not faced any challenge which has not been answered as of today. Help desk is a very nice system. We just mail them the problem and it gets registered and it's getting solved also. Response time has been very good. Within 2 days, we get the problems are being solved. Manufacturing data, now we have the entire thing mapped. The processes are streamlined and we are getting the entire production results according to the ERP. So the MIS generated for the production is of a very high level. It has helped us a lot in getting the entire information of our business and what is happening on real-time basis. Earlier, this information used to come to us after a particular drag or a time difference. And it used to, we were not in a position to take decisions whether we should correct the process which is happening at our manufacturing ends. But this data today is very nicely available in the system, particularly related to melting losses which happen in our kind of an industry. Those are highlighted very clearly. And we actually get a value-wise a report of how much losses we have incurred due to these melting losses. So it has helped us a lot. We see Ion as the central nervous system of our company.